I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlink a bank account from MEXC, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Start by opening the MEXC app or website and entering your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account or profile section, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In account settings, look for the payment methods or bank accounts option. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Choose the bank account to unlink. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you see a pending transactions warning, make sure there are no active transactions before unlinking. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After selecting the account to unlink, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the unlinking process. I hope this guide helps you easily unlink your bank account on MEXC. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.